Hi everyone, I'm here to talk to you about what is in your clay kit for today. Here's the instruction sheet that has your supplies, and some of these supplies are not with you today. When you bring your greenware in or your done project in and we fire it, then you will get your glazes or your paints. So you're not supposed to be receiving today acrylic paint or any brushes. You will, that's the second step. So what's cool about our take-home glaze kit is that it's kind of like two kits in one. It's two projects. Your first project, which you'll be working on this week, Becca will go over how to mold the clay, but I want to tell you what's in it. So you will get a pound of clay. It's a great little moist ball ready to go, and then Becca will show you exactly how this works. One thing I would recommend doing is, if you are not using it right away, or if you don't use all of your clay, simply put it back in your plastic baggie and zip it up so that it stays airtight and good to go, and it will last forever essentially. Even if it dries out, you can just add a little bit of water to reconstitute it. Or if it dries out and you don't want to deal with it, please bring it back to us at the village and we'll reconstitute it for you. We have a great cool clay mixer that we get to recycle clay. So don't ever throw clay away. It's awesome. Unlike air dry clay, this clay only sets in a kiln, so it can constantly be reconstituted. So keep it in a plastic baggie to keep it moist, or add water if it gets too hard. And then also there's tips and tricks. And then something else that's very important is you get to choose your glazes. So you will bring back your masterpiece back to us. I would highly recommend you either carve in your name to the bottom or write it in the bottom so that we know that it is yours. Also, write your name on this sheet of paper. It can go anywhere, but this will be very important so that we can match your glazes with your project. So yes, put your name, either carve it into the bottom or write it in Sharpie in the bottom. It will be a little bit hard on greenware, but it'll work. And also write it on this sheet of paper. So then you get 4 choices of colors, as well as choices of grays or acrylic. In another video, I'm going to go over the differences between glaze or acrylic and the benefits of each. So you choose whether you want glaze or whether you want acrylic paint, and then whether you want brights, pastels, warm colors, or cool colors. So if you have any questions, feel free to text us or call us. But this will help us get your project back to you as quickly as possible. So thanks so much and enjoy your clay kit.